Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? Hope you're having a great, wonderful day today, guys. First things first, go ahead and click that subscribe button for me. Go ahead and click that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload new videos. And for those of you that's returning, thank you so much for checking out my video. All right, today I am back, guys. I told you I'm going to come back and show you more value that we have with the Conversion Pros, the marketing system I've been using for 3 years, okay, to brand myself. I use it as an autoresponder, and I create numerous capture pages and things of that nature. So, the Conversion Pros. Now, what I want to show you is I get a lot of people that want to learn how to market on social media, okay? And do you realize these social media courses or training, there's a lot of expensive ones out there. These courses sell for hundreds and thousands of dollars, guys. If you look up social media marketing courses, you will see that the prices are, some of them are kind of outrageous actually, but there is a demand for them. People want to learn how to market on social media. Now, it just so happens for us with the Conversion Pros, this marketing system, I told you before, it has a plethora of training. It's just not a marketing system with a lot of capture pages. They offer a lot of value and a lot of training. So this marketing system, the Conversion Pros, provides free training courses on social media. It's in your back office. I guarantee a lot of people don't even know that. That's in the Conversion Pros. They get in the program, just like any other program. You get in, they get in the program, and they don't really go through their back office thoroughly to really see what they've purchased. And the same for the Conversion Pros. So I want to show you that, guys, that in your back office of the Conversion Pros, there is training, and you can give these training courses away. All you have to do is share your link, give them away to people. When they join that, they get the free training, and then it also gives them exposure to the Conversion Pros, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the back office. I'm going to show you where that training is, and you can find your link, make a copy of the share code, and create a link, and you can just give these courses away, all right? Now, before I do that, though, real quick, the Conversion Pros gives you a 2-week trial, okay? Excuse me. Gives you a 2-week trial that you can try this without even putting in a credit card, okay? You get full access to everything, okay? They don't have an upsell in this particular program, this marketing system. No upsell. It's just flat $50 a month if you decide to go ahead and get the Conversion Pros. But what they do is they offer an affiliate program, a residual income, okay? So if you refer someone to the Conversion Pros, everybody you refer, you make $25. So they actually split the commission with you. You become a partner, a business partner of the Conversion Pros, 50-50 split, okay? So with that being said, let's go over to the back office. Okay, I am logged in the back office, okay? And you just click right here, landing pages, okay? And as you can see right here, there are lots and lots of landing pages back here, okay? So pretty much whatever niche you're in, doesn't matter what you're selling, what you're offering, the Conversion Pros has capture pages or landing pages for your niche. As you can see, weight loss, fitness, medical, hemp, okay, travel, coffee, makeup, eyelashes, skincare, crypto, money lifestyle, women, work at home moms, car programs, proximity mobile, stocks, water, and it goes on and on, okay? Doesn't matter what your niche is, we have a landing page or capture page for you, as well as the autoresponder is included. All you have to do is plug in your information, okay? So now, let's get to this social media training. Right here in the Conversion Pros, it's called lead magnets, okay? Now, I'm going to go here because this is one of the hot items that people ask me about. They want to do a YouTube channel, want to learn how to do YouTube and how to set everything up and things like that. Guess what? The Conversion Pros has that as well, Okay, so let's click right here, and you can preview the page before you actually copy it. Check this out. Okay, 100% free course on how to advertise on YouTube. See how to get your offer to thousands of people. Okay, this is in the Conversion Pros. Okay, let's go up to the next one here. See, if you want to copy it, just click copy and it'll go into your TCP pages right here, TCP page builder. But I'm just going to preview it. Okay, YouTube ads training, guys. How to put your how to use YouTube advertising. They do have that, and I'm going to get into that myself a little more going into 2020, where you actually do YouTube ads. You do a video and you put it up, and you run an ad on YouTube. Okay, so we have that as well. Okay, let's keep going. Twitter. Okay, if you're interested in learning how to market on Twitter, masterclass right here for Twitter. We have that as well. Okay. Here's another one. This is a capture page. Twitter is a cash cow when used right. Okay, so here's a capture page, and it tells you this course is free, no upsells, no gotchas. Okay, so all you have to do is copy this. If you're interested, you would just copy that. I'll show you here in a second. See, you would click right here, copy, and you have that page. Now you can promote it. Okay, let's see what else is in here. Okay, that's the other page. Hang on. Okay, Snapchat. Here's the capture page. You can give away Snapchat training. Okay. Okay, here's the master class for it. So that was the capture page. They would opt in, and then here's the training, okay, for Snapchat. Let's see. Okay, this is Pinterest. Here's the capture page, and we have training for Pinterest. Okay, see, here's the videos. Once they opt into the capture page, it goes here and it gives you the video training. Okay, so you can use this and give this away. Okay, just give these links away. Okay, here's another popular one, Facebook Live. If you're interested in learning Facebook Live, we have that as well. Here's the capture page, and then they have the training for Facebook Live right here in the Conversion Pros. Okay, see, once they opt into that previous page I just showed you, they'll go here. And this is where the training will be, the master class. So you can basically give these trainings away, guys. I'll click that one already. Instagram training. We have that as well. Okay. Another social media platform. Okay, and this is the page you would give away. And once they enter their information, they would get that Instagram training that I just previously showed you. So this is right here at your fingertips in the Conversion Pros. Okay, under landing pages, you go all the way down, and it's called lead magnets. Okay, so we're not just, Conversion Pros is not just a lead capture page system. It's way, way more than that. Okay. And like I said, I will be, coming back showing you different attributes that it has. Okay, so that's just another one for you guys. Social media marketing. Okay, so a lot of people out here want to do, those different platforms. So we have that right here in the Conversion Pros. Okay, so you definitely want to take the free trial. It's 14-day trial. No credit card required. Or if you just know you want to get started in the Conversion Pros, just go ahead and click the link, pay $50, and that way when you refer others, you can go ahead and start getting commissions. When they join and they pay their $50, you're going to make $25 for everybody you refer over to the Conversion Pros. On this page, under the affiliate tab, the Conversion Pros has already put together our sales funnel. Okay, as an affiliate, these TCP landing pages, they already created for me. I did not create these. As you can see, it has my link in there, and you have the same. Just go to the affiliates tab, and you will see these links. All you have to do is share these links. Let me show you one of the new pages they put together. This one right here. Get tons of leads. Move this over. Get tons of leads, sales, and signups for your business today. Watch this video. Okay? So, sales funnels are already set up for you. All you have to do is plug into them. But if you're interested in also social media training yourself, okay, you can give it away. You can give the training away. But if you're interested in that, just log into your back office in the Conversion Pros under the landing pages and lead magnets and get the training. Okay, it's included. You pay $50 a month, but look at it this way, guys. Not to mention it's a residual income, but you're getting a marketing system, a tool. You're getting training. Okay, you're basically getting coaching because the owner, Dave Dubs, is always in the Facebook group giving us value and training on how to use the Conversion Pros to help market our business or to use the Conversion Pros to earn a residual income. So he's constantly basically coaching. So you're really getting coaching for $50 a month, which is unheard of. Okay, so you're getting training, coaching, affiliate training. You're getting a marketing system. You're getting an autoresponder. You're getting everything you need under one roof. You can go in the back office. You can buy leads. This system basically has everything you need to run your affiliate marketing business, whatever it is. Okay, so you just need to dive into the back office. Everything is in here, even how to place Craigslist ads. So I'm going to keep going through here and just pulling out information to show you what's in here. Okay, so as I learn things as well, which I've gone through quite a bit of this stuff, but I'm going to just show it to you guys as well so you can see where this is in the back office and the value that the Conversion Pros has. Because it's not just, oh, it's just a marketing system. I pay $50 a month. No, you get a plethora of training with this, okay? So this is tools that you can use, okay? So check this video out real quick and we will close this out. So guys, you see all of this that you get with the Conversion Pros, okay? So with that being said, I just want you to click the link below. Go ahead and do a test drive. This is going to help you with your business. I'm going to get so many calls every day about, I'm trying to do a business and I just need help promoting it. Get the Conversion Pros. It's a free trial. We'll put the link below. Subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell. And I'll see you guys on the inside of the Conversion Pros. You guys have a blessed day.